Alright guys, in these examples we're going to evaluate or simplify these absolute value expressions 1 through 4. So pretty quick to do if you know what you're doing. So one of the things you got to do is the absolute value works kind of like a parentheses, except it has an extra function which everything inside makes it positive. So what we want to do is evaluate that first. I'll highlight off of there. Alright, so we got negative times an absolute value of negative 2. Alright, so if we put parentheses, that can help. What's the absolute value of a negative 2? It is a positive 2. And of course, a negative times a 2 is going to be a negative 2. And that'll be the answer there. Okay, same for this one. So absolute value of negative 7 minus absolute value of a positive 7. Absolute value of negative 7 is positive 7. Absolute value of a positive 7 is also a positive 7. And we got the minus sign in between. So then we got 7 minus 7. And of course, that is going to be 0. Here we have the multiplying two numbers inside the absolute value. So we can apply one of the properties where we can give each number its own absolute value bars and multiply them together. Of course, absolute value of negative 3 is 3, and absolute value of 2 is 2. So 3 times 2 is, of course, 6. Another way you can do this is multiply inside the bars. Negative 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Then, of course, absolute value of negative 6 is going to be positive 6. So either one of these is fine to do. So let's look at number 4. Again, we can give each one its own absolute value bars. Absolute value of negative 15 is 15. Absolute value of 5 is positive 5. And was 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay. Again, another way you could do it is go ahead and divide out everything. 5 into negative 15 divided by 5 is a negative 3. Absolute value of negative 3 is positive 3. And again, same answer.